Hi alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss how to master med mindre, crafting effective negative conditions in Norwegian. The Norwegian phrase med mindre, equivalent to English unless, plays a crucial role in constructing sentences with negative conditions. This linguistic feature allows speakers to express contingencies and exceptions in a nuanced way. Understanding and effectively using med mindre is a key skill for Norwegian learners. In the discussion today, we will explore its usage compared with hvis ikke, if not, and provide varied examples to enhance comprehension. Decoding med mindre is used to introduce a conditional clause that inverses or negates the outcome of the main clause. It creates a sense of exception to what is stated, offering a different scenario under which the main clause wouldn't hold true. Structural insights. Typically, the structure follows main clause plus med mindre plus subordinate clause. So main clause plus med mindre plus subordinate clause. For eksempel, jeg spiser middag klokka 7, med mindre jeg er for sent ute. Jeg spiser middag klokka 7, med mindre jeg er for sent ute. Jeg spiser middag klokka 7, med mindre jeg er for sent ute. I will have dinner at 7, unless I'm late. Nuances of med mindre. The use of med mindre subtly indicates that the outcome in the main clause is expected, with the subordinate clause presenting a less likely alternative. Differentiating from hvis ikke. Hvis ikke, while similarly introducing a negative condition, can convey a more formal or explicit tone. It is often used in more formal writings or when the condition is emphasized more strongly. Examples in context with med mindre. Filmen begynner klokken 8, med mindre det er tekniske problemer. Filmen begynner klokken 8, med mindre det er tekniske problemer. Filmen begynner klokken 8, med mindre det er tekniske problemer. The movie starts at 8, unless there are technical problems. Han vil delta i løpet, med mindre han er syk. Han vil delta i løpet, med mindre han er syk. Han vil delta i løpet, med mindre han er syk. He will participate in the race unless he is sick. Vi går på tur hver søndag, med mindre været er dårlig. Vi går på tur hver søndag, med mindre været er dårlig. Vi går på tur hver søndag, med mindre været er dårlig. Vi går for a hike trip every Sunday unless the weather is bad. Examples with hvis ikke. Hvis du ikke ringer i kveld, antar jeg at du er opptatt. Hvis du ikke ringer i kveld, antar jeg at du er opptatt. Hvis du ikke ringer i kveld, antar jeg at du er opptatt. If you don't call tonight, I'll assume you're busy. Møtet blir avlyst hvis ikke nok personer registrerer seg. Møtet blir avlyst hvis ikke nok personer registrerer seg. Møtet blir avlyst hvis ikke nok personer registrerer seg. The meeting will be cancelled if not enough people sign up. Hvis du ikke forklarer situasjonen, kommer alle til å misforstå. Hvis du ikke forklarer situasjonen, kommer alle til å misforstå. Hvis du ikke forklarer situasjonen, kommer alle til å misforstå. If you don't explain the situation, everyone will misunderstand. Med mindre is an essential element in constructing negative conditions in Norwegian, offering a subtle yet powerful tool for expressing contingencies, balancing its use with hvis ikke can enhance both the sophistication and clarity of your Norwegian communication. Practice and exposure to various contexts are key to mastering these structures. Do you want to take Norwegian classes? We are offering Norwegian classes at all levels: A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. We offer classes in Oslo, in classrooms or online. So if you're interested in taking Norwegian classes, you can sign up at nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no. We now have our referral program. So if you refer a friend that starts to take Norwegian classes, you will get $150 as a reward. And your friend will also get a discount on the courses with $100. So this is a win-win situation. So if you're interested in the referral program, you can sign up at nlsnorwegian.no/become a partner. nlsnorwegian.no/become a partner. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent one video at a time. Do you want to learn Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.